Welcome to this video on Paragraph AI. Paragraph AI is an extension that you can add to your Chrome browser window. So these up here in the top right-hand corner, it actually looks like this purple circle with the P in it. There are lots of different AI tools that are available to you. These videos are just a few that I really like to use because of how they work and their accessibility. So because this is an extension, we do have to go to the Chrome Web Store to add it to our Chrome profile or our browser profile. If you know how to do that, we just do a quick search for Chrome Web Store. We're going to go there. This is like the little app store for Google Chrome. If you need to know more, I'd be glad to answer, or you could take additional classes that I have that explain that. And we're going to do a quick search for Paragraph AI. Now, one of the weird things here is, notice I didn't put a space in. If you put a space in for some reason, it doesn't come up, but it's right here, this #1 AI writing tool, and you can see that mine's added. Yours should say add to Chrome. You'll click that add to Chrome button right here, and then it will be able to add. And again, you see it, it's right here. You can check a little video out if you want to. So we're going to add that to Chrome. It's going to show up then in your Chrome toolbar. If it doesn't, you can click on this puzzle piece, which are for the extensions, and then go into your list here. You can see some of them I have pinned for mine and some of them I don't. If you want to make sure it's there, if we go to Paragraph AI, make sure that it's clicked and it's blue, and that will pin it to your toolbar. So that's getting our extension there. Once we do that, then simply all we have to do is click the little extension button. I might need to come out here. And then we'll get this little pop-up window. You'll see I'm in my email here. So the great thing about this is you can do writes. It'll do paragraphs. It'll make lists, messages. The one I use the most is emails. You can do those. You'll notice down here in the bottom, you get 20 free writes per day. And then it goes. Now that seems like a lot, but if you're a person who emails a lot, once you start using this, you may run out of 20 in a hurry. I'll do email, and you just say, again, we'll just, when I need an email to a parent about their students' lunchroom behavior. Students, we'll say poor lunchroom behavior. Also, I can adjust my tone here. I can do like, I can pick kind of what it's in, marketer, shorthand. So I'm going to say neutral for right now, and we'll look at adjust tones. Then I'm going to hit write. And then it'll go ahead and generate that email. Now, if I don't like that, I can come in here to this adjust tone, and I can adjust. This is what I really like. Maybe it's a little more informal. Maybe I know the parent, and maybe it needs to be a little friendlier and a little more optimistic. Then I hit write again, and it's going to generate that there. I can go ahead and if I like that, I can hit copy, and I can just come over here in my email, and I can paste, and in it goes. Now you notice I did that paste. Sometimes if you paste, we'll paste as plain text, and it does the same thing. So you can get those there. You can also then generate other things, paragraphs, lists. This is one. You can do a reply. So reply to. So then what we have here is, let's say we get an email from someone. So I go in and I copy the text of that email. Okay. So maybe this is the email. We'll see if we can get this here. So let's say I'm this parent and I copy this email that I received, and I'm going to paste that email in, and then I can put context here. I can say upset about my child's behavior, and I'm going to do a reply email. So you can actually, it'll read the email, and then it'll generate a reply. Okay. So then again, copy, paste, adjust the sliders. So a pretty cool tool. So again, that's got different options from write, paragraphs, lists, messages, emails, articles, reply. Also, this improve button has some grammar and tone, as well as interpreting. It has this kind of interpret the tone option. Is it serious? Is it formal, informal, that kind of stuff. So very cool tool. You'll notice now that I have 17 writes left for today because I did 3 different options. to do those. So that's Paragraph AI, the extension.